Welcome to our tutorial. In this video I will show you how to activate SlideLizard for your PowerPoint presentation. Let's start by opening an existing presentation. If you want, you can also create a new one, but ensure that you save it before you continue. Now go to the SlideLizard tab in PowerPoint and click Link to SlideLizard. A window opens which guides you through the required steps. All information you enter here can still be edited afterwards. In the first step, you will have to enter some general information about your presentation. By default, your first slide is used as the presentation image, but you can choose a custom one as well. Give your presentation a name and description so your audience knows what it is about. For your audience, the information you just entered will look like this. Finally, you can also set a password for your presentation. This is a good idea if you have sensitive information on your slides, for example. In the next step, choose whether you want to share your slides with your audience. If you do so, you can further decide if they can view them only on SlideLizard or if they are allowed to download them as PDF as well. Next, you can share additional content and links with your audience. SlideLizard automatically searches through your slides and adds all links it can find. After that, you can add new ones manually, either by typing them yourself or just by copying a link. In this presentation, I want to share a YouTube video with my audience. SlideLizard recognizes when you have a link in your clipboard and adds it for you. After you entered the address, the title will be generated automatically. Give your link a type and a description so your audience knows what it is about. If you want to conduct polls during your presentation, you can create them here. You can either create a completely new poll or select one from various presets. At the beginning of my presentation, I'd like to know how well my audience is informed about the topic. Then, as an icebreaker, I'll ask them which virtual reality devices they've already used before. Just enter the question and choose if you want to do a single or multiple choice poll. If you want, you can also customize the chart type for showing the results. Now add various answers to which you can attach a representative picture or emoji. Here you can always delete or reorganize your answers. However, if you are more the spontaneous type of person, don't worry, you can always create polls during your presentation as well. In the final step, you can choose if you want to share your contact information with your participants. Add information like your occupation and email so your audience can contact you afterwards. Everything you enter here will be saved for future presentations. Now you only need to click on Create and your presentation is successfully linked to SlideLizard. You can edit all information you just entered in the presentation configuration section on the left. In the next tutorial video, we will show you how to give a presentation with SlideLizard.